guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys my top 5 eyeshadow palettes. Now for this particular video I've not given myself a budget, like there's no budget constraint. I'm gonna talk about my favorite high-end palettes, the palettes that are a little expensive but totally worth your money. So let me know if you want me to do a budget friendly eyeshadow palette video. I'll do that for you guys. But in this video I'm going to talk about my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I love using, I enjoy using them. They are worth every penny. So yeah, if you guys want to know about those, then make sure you watch this video till the end. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so starting the video with a bang. For the first palette, look at this gorgeous beauty. This one is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and do I even need to say anything about it? Like, it's so gorgeous, so beautiful. I love it. I fell in love with it the first time I saw it. This has to be my most expensive makeup product, and actually the most expensive makeup product that I own and that I bought for myself. This is so gorgeous. Look at the color, the shade range, everything is so gorgeous. I understand that this is expensive. This is not even high-end. Let me just see what it's priced at. I think it is somewhere between, like, I'm sorry, I can't find the price right now, but it is somewhere between 5.5k or something like that, around 6,000. But this is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Now, let me tell you why. First of all, the color range speaks to me. It's beautiful. It talks about like there are so many gorgeous metallic shades, shimmer shades, and the mattes are superbly amazing. Like, they blend so beautifully. Like, you have browns, burgundy, black, and do we even need to talk about the top row? It speaks for itself. It's so gorgeous. I love it. And I'll just swatch a few shades for you guys so that you know what I'm talking about. Like, oh my god, it's so buttery. Like, look at that. I don't even have to swirl my finger around, and these my god, I love it, man. It's so beautiful. Let's swatch that, and let me swatch this black. Is the so gorgeous. Like, look at that. I'll just swatch. Let me just swatch one more. Wow, look at that. Alright, so the next palette that is absolutely love is this one from Makeup Revolution. This is their Sofx palette. This is the Sofx Extra Spice palette. Look at that. First of all, the packaging, it's beautiful, and this also, did I not tell you, that one also comes with a mirror, and so does this. Like, it has a full size mirror right here. And first of all, look at the shade. Let me just show you guys close up. Shades in this palette are again so good, so gorgeous. You can do so much with this palette. You can do soft glams, you can do brown, you can do yellow, colorful glams. The shimmers are gorgeous. Like, look at that. I'm also gonna swatch a few more shades, and look at that. I'm just touching my fingers, and I'm not even pressuring my fingers into the shadow to get the color payoff. They are actually really pigmented. They are so gorgeous. And yeah, I think this is a very beautiful eyeshadow palette. If you just want to get one eyeshadow palette and you are able to do a lot of looks with it, like multiple looks with it, this is the palette to go for. This is really beautiful. Alright, so the next eyeshadow palette that I absolutely adore is this one from Morphe. This is the Morphe 35M Artistry palette, and look at the color scheme. It's so beautiful, so gorgeous. Let me show you guys up close. This is a gorgeous palette with amazing color scheme. Like, you have army greens, you have oranges, burgundy, purple, brown, black, everything. It's amazing. I feel like it's a very unusual color scheme. Like, I love it. That kind of unusual. And like these greens, first I thought I might not be able to use it, but trust me, only green colors are the ones that I have used the most from this palette. It's a beautiful, gorgeous palette. The pan size is actually very big, so you are getting totally your money's worth. And I feel like if you just want to get one palette and you want everything to do with that palette, this is the kind of palette to go for. And like, if not 35mm, they have a lot of shades and categories and a lot of palettes, so maybe you should check them out. Talking about the formula is so gorgeous, so creamy. The mattes blend so beautifully. Like, the first time that I used this eyeshadow, I was blown away by how gorgeously the mattes blend. And I'm like, I feel like this is so gorgeous. You have amazing shimmers that you can literally use. I think these are the shimmers that we mostly use, like gold, bronze, and purple, pink. I mean, you can create so many gorgeous looks with this palette. I'm just looking at it and I feel like how many more videos I need to create with this palette. Like, I haven't used this enough. So I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about where I got this palette from. So I got it from cultbeauty.com. It's a UK based website, so you can check that out. Morphe is not officially available in India right now, as of now, but it's also available on certain Instagram pages. So make sure, if you like trust an authentic Instagram page, you find an authentic page, then only you order it from there. Otherwise, you can order it from cultbeauty.com. Alright, so the next eyeshadow palette I'm going to talk about is this one from Sugar. This is the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 Flawless. Now, this one has such beautiful coral orangey color scheme going on. I love it. This one is very handy, very good, and like, it's very travel friendly first of all, and it comes with a mirror. And like, talking about the color scheme, I feel like these colors can be worn on special occasions or on daily basis. Like, if you just use one color all over your eyelid, you are just good to go. If you are using it for like an everyday basis, so beautiful for that. But one reason that I wanted to show this eyeshadow palette here is because of how beautiful the formula is. Now let me just show you guys this. Look at that. I honestly am not even, trust me, I'm not even pressuring my finger into the pan. I'm just touching it, and look at how beautiful this is. Let me just show you guys matte shade, and let me just swatch this one. Look, these are so gorgeous. The matte is also beautiful. The matte is very soft. It doesn't feel patchy at all, and I have obviously used this palette, and when you blend it into your eyes, it's amazing. It blends beautifully. There is a reason it's called Blend the Rules. It actually blends very beautifully. Alright guys, for the last palette, I wanted to show you guys a shimmer palette. So I'm including this one from PAC Cosmetics. Every time I want to do a very glam, like out there eyeshadow look, I always go for this one. Now these ones come in, like, first let me show you guys. This one is in the shade 06 Party Mix, and let me just tell you guys, it's a beautiful eyeshadow. Like, the shimmers are so good. Not shimmer, why am I saying shimmer? These are glitters. They are so good. And let me just swatch one for you guys. I have done so many Instagram makeup looks with this, so I'll leave certain links down below so you can check those out. But look at these. These are so beautiful, and I'll just swatch one or two for you guys. Look at that. So gorgeous. And you do need a glitter glue with these. Like, I've just touched it, so that's why. But look at that, it's so beautiful. You do need glitter glue with these, but I do not have it have a glitter glue, so I always use it with my Miss Clear eyelash glue, and it works beautifully. But let me just tell you guys, this one retails for I think 1550 rupees, but it's so worth it. It's so beautiful. I have one more shade in this one, but I only found this one right now, so I'm showing you that. If you want like one palette to give your eyeshadow looks that glam, that party effect, then make sure you check these out. These are very gorgeous. Glitter shadow. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment below and let me know what you thought about it, and also let me know your favorite eyeshadow palettes in the comments below so I can check them out. Also, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and hit the bell icon while you're on your way, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.